Want to achieve this hairstyle at home? Watch my hair transformation by hair experts. Today, I'm going to have my hair done by not one, but 3 TRESemmé experts: Lord Ramos, Raviel Castor, and Marky Stone. Dave style celebrities and influencers, so I'm excited!
To start, we're prepping the hair using TRESemmé Keratin Smooth series, starting with the shampoo.
I struggle with dry and tangled hair because as a host and a news anchor, my hair gets styled like almost every day with flat iron and curling iron, so it's kind of damaged.
Regardless of your hair's specific needs, opting for keratin-enriched product is a safe bet to tackle a range of hair issues. The TRESemmé Keratin Smooth is expertly crafted with keratin protein complex and smart targeting technology. It helps nourish dry and frizzy hair, giving you 10 salon benefits in one wash. It cleanses thoroughly and deeply penetrates into the core of the hair. Next, for better results, we can't leave out the post-wash routine. We apply the Keratin Smooth Serum Conditioner. It has oleo serum that extends hair smoothness up to 72 hours.
My turn! Time for the Keratin Smooth Treatment Mask. It works on even the driest and frizziest parts of hair. It professionally targets frizz, split ends, and flyaways, with nourishment that goes 5 times layers deep for salon-quality smooth hair every day. At home, it's best to use at least once to twice a week for intense hair treatments. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Next, we blow dry the hair.
Now, if you're blonde, you need hair care products specially designed to keep your hair color from fading. We have the TRESemmé Blonde Brilliance for you. The magic of this formula lies in its purple pigments. The anti-brass purple formula eliminates any unwanted brassy tones and makes your hair color last longer. Plus, it's packed with nourishing jojoba oil, so it doesn't just protect your hair color, but it also nourishes your hair. Before styling, it's very important that we apply at least 2 drops of the Keratin Smooth Shine Serum from the mid-ends of the hair all over the head. It's the essential step in creating your smooth, glossy style. And this is the exciting part, one of my favorite TRESemmé hairstyle, the S-curls.
Oh my gosh, I love the curl! Feels so soft even after the flat iron.
Welcome. It suits you very well. Stay tuned for more Beyond Tresses videos. We are here to help you achieve salon quality hair at home so you can look and feel your best every day.